Welcome back to another video, guys. I want to talk about something that is not mostly spoken about, especially in the trading industry. Losses are part of the game. What you're seeing right here is the trade I took on Volatility 10 index. I bought this index at this point, expecting this index to buy basically, but the market did the opposite of it. I had my SL firstly at this point, so about 70% of my positions, their SL was at this point, right? So I had to adjust my SL, still expecting this index to buy, just expecting the buys basically, but the market seemed not to be going as I expected. So the reason why I'm making this video is to show you guys what happens behind the scene most of the time. In as much as we expect to make profit from the market, losses will definitely come. Most traders and mentors fail to show this part of trading. Our trades will always be hitting take profit. Losses would also call, will definitely take losses. There's no trader, there's no professional trader that doesn't lose a trade, that doesn't take losses in the market. What matters most is how you react to those losses, what you do after taking such losses and being on a drawdown. Do you revenge trade or go after the market, try to force trades? What do you do? What habits do you display after those losses? What most profitable traders do after they lose trades is they stay calm, they stay off the chart for some time, for a while, they reanalyze the markets, try to point out their mistakes and learn from those mistakes, try to figure out where it went wrong. Remember, there are no losses in trading, only lessons. Reasons why we take losses in the market is for the market to put it to us that we still remain students of the market. We forever be students of the market. The market remains the boss and the best teacher. We just have to learn from these losses, picture out our mistakes. What matters most is learning from those mistakes, those losing times, and putting those experiences to your advantage. So I actually expected this index to buy from this point, from this zone basically. This is that when I looked at the 4-hour time frame, I was able to identify a zone here which has been a strong level of support. And like I do say that we analyze the market using past market move and past market reactions. So I was expecting this index to actually buy from this point, seeing what happened previously, seeing the previous market reactions on this level. You can see that whenever price gets to this level, it buys from it as a support, it buys from it as a support the second time, the third buys, fourth buys, fifth buys. We've been getting couple market reactions from this zone, the buy reactions from this point. So I was actually expecting something similar here, and there was a bullish order block formation at this point, which I was expecting this index to buy from. Seeing the 4-hour time frame rejections, we first got this test. First test of this level, we got this candlestick weak rejection here. The first time, the second time, it was at this point I had my entry. After the second weak rejection, the candlestick break and close at this point above this level, I had my entry. Right, but we can see what the market did. The market moved our way a little bit, moved in little profit before going against us. So right now, I failed to spot this. I already knew this market was in a downtrend. Identify this market's direction basically. It's clearly seen on the weekly time frame that this index is on a downtrend, right? Which I took note of, which I identified. But I was actually anticipating a reversal on this index, looking at this level which we've got previous market reactions on. We've got price react on this level as a support, resistance here, support here, resistance. So I was actually expecting something similar from this level, from this point, but I wouldn't take my entries on this time frame. I still have to go to lower time frame, which I analyzed further to the 30 minutes time frame for my entry points. But the market did its thing. The market went against us on predicting the buys basically. So I was expecting this index to reverse. On seeing this index sell for a very long time, this index has been on a downtrend for a very long time now. So I was actually anticipating the reversal on V10 index, at least for price to get to this level which I spotted here. I was expecting price to buy to this point for the sell continuation. This index is still on a downtrend, but there are chances of short-term bullish move which we could see price give for the test of this zone. So on the daily time frame, I identified this downtrend formation, which I did after the trade went against me. I was able to spot this downtrend and still expecting the reversal on this level, but the market still did this thing. The market remains the best teacher. We will forever be students to the market. So I was expecting this index to buy from this zone, right? And I was expecting price to get to this point, at least this previous level of resistance, which we got price gets and sell from, and this level as well, this level 2, test of this level. So I was expecting price to get to these levels at least the second time before you can get the sell continuation and possibly break above this level for a test of this key zone we spotted on the weekly time frame for the sell continuation. Let's not forget this index is on a downtrend. I was just looking out for short-term buy opportunities which failed, so I'm likely to exit my positions right now because you could still see the sells. You could still get more sells on this index regardless of getting this short-term buy move we are seeing right here, right? Regardless of getting this short-term buy move, these rejections we are seeing here, you could still see this index sell if the sell continuation in the coming hours and days. And we got a formation, a bearish formation on the 1 hour time frame. Got this head and shoulders pattern reversal formation. The head, the left shoulder, the head at this point, and the right shoulder. And you guys know what happens whenever the market gives this kind of formation. There's a possibility that the market would sell. If the market was in an uptrend, we could see the market shift from an uptrend market to a downtrend market, right? So we got this uptrend formation on the 1 hour time frame. Then the market formed this head and shoulders pattern formation, meaning that the bears came into the market and we could get possible bearish reversal on this index. And if price breaks below these lows, we could see more sells on V10 index. Basically, we could get more sells on V10 index, at least for price to test this first level, this first lows here. Price getting to here, this would be our first sell target level. If you are to get the sells on V10 index, a break of this level, then would see a free fall to the downside, because this was a strong level of support. This has been a strong level of support. So a break of this level, then price would sell to this point. A break of this one, then we could get more sells at least to this point. This green line I spotted on the daily time frame, you can see it clearly on the weekly time frame that this was a strong level of support. Support here, support at this point too. So this is under low we got. So if price gets to this level, there's a possibility that this level would hold, because we got this double bottom formation on this level, resting on this level. So price could sell to this point for the buys, right? And if this level failed to hold, then we'd see a free fall to this point, a massive sell to this zone. Long-term sales would see that would happen in weeks and months on volatility 10 index. And we actually got a break of trend on the weekly time frame, which is a bearish formation, which we could see that the market is working with, right? We got a shift of this uptrend, shift of an uptrend market to a downtrend market. The reasons why I was expecting the buys is for price to come test this zone for the right shoulder formation, because we're yet to get a good right shoulder formation. The only retest we got was this retest basically. So after my mistake on this index, I had to reanalyze this index to see that this index was very much bearish. So we make mistakes in the market, we take losses, but we have to learn from those losses and get better over time. So that's me showing you guys the outcome of the trade, of the buy trade I took on volatility 10 index. We wouldn't always get the market move as we expect. Let's have that at the back of our mind, that losses will definitely hit us at some point. Regardless of having a good win rate, we definitely incur losses at some point. But what matters most is how we react to those losses, what we do after taking those losses. That's what differentiates a profitable trader to an unprofitable trader. So that's it, guys. Always learn from your mistakes. Always understand that losses are part of trading. We lose some, we win some. But what matters most is making sure that we win more than we lose, so we can stay profitable long term. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button and drop a good comment for more educative content like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough for